What's up, guys? And today we're going to show you how to put a enclosure on a Turbo R Pro Turbo R 2022. And the port number on the Polaris cab enclosure is 2884664. In your tools, you're going to need a pin popper, a ratchet, 13mm, and a 13mm socket. And you're going to need some T40, T25, and a T30. So first you'll need to remove the windshield and the roof, and then the door skin.
Ta-da!
Now you want to take your phone tape and put it on the inside of this, around here, on the inside. And afterwards, once you get all your stuff on it, it should look like this on the inside. Next, you want to put your 3 straps in, mount it on your roll bar.
Stuffing elbow. Lowe's Foods can help. It's press giving at Lowe's Foods.
Congrats on the underwear glow up, girl.
So then you want to take your extra remaining tape and run it right here along the body line. So now at this step you want to kind of drill 2 1/4-inch holes right here where they are at.
To mount these two pieces together.
To mount these two pieces together. This This one right here, and this one right here.
Good. Good.
Once you put the top plastic on, you want to take this and mount it to the door.
All right, so right here in the instructions, it shows for this metal bracket to go in here. Whoop. But because of this rib, these bolts are not long enough from the factory. So we have opted not to use this. You do as you choose, but we are not using it.
Okay.
All right, let's snug the other one up real quick.
Okay.
All right, let's go back to the first one and go ahead and tighten it. All right, next one. One more time on that second one.
Wait, this one right here?
Yep. All right, good job.
Yeah, I put a spacer in the third one.
The one up here. All right. Spacer go on your side.
Your side.
All right. Tighten her up. All right.
So afterwards, after you tighten all your bolts, you want to check for fitment. So afterwards, once you check for fitment, you want to put your door skin back on. So now we're done. Now all you need to do is put your windshield and top back on it.
So a couple things we learned from the driver's side to the passenger side. On your XP 900s and your XP 1000s, your earlier models, this piece down here at the bottom always tucked in behind the skirt. On the Pros, they go on the outside, and we'll show you over here on the driver's side the differences. So over here on the driver's side, we didn't know, and the instructions never said nothing, but we actually tucked it in because that's what we was used to with the old XPs. And after we tried to start putting his skin back on, the upper bolts that hold the door skin on would not go on. So we figured out what our problem was, and we have corrected it on the passenger side.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, please. If you need any questions, leave them in the comment section below.